right now we're preparing for our VTR for a potential TV commercial. Yeah. Yes, baby. Are you trying to audition also? Sure. Your presence and the Holy Spirit, Lord, as we try and audition for this opportunity that has come our way to have a TV commercial with our family, and we hope that it will be a success today with what we're about to do. We thank you for the people who are supporting us, such as Peach and the girls and the kids. Help them be the best that they can be today. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen. We're prepping, and I think I have to trim a little bit more since...
Mabal ang makeup mo. Kailangan bawasan. Magpapawis ka.
I have to trim since ang peg ay a dad in his 20s, and right now I look like I'm pushing 40.
Wow! Ako ang last na magpe-prepare. Ngayon pa lang ako.
So what are we doing right now?
VTRing.
VTRing. I like the term.
Watch Kayla because all of you will be doing that.
So
Follow the time.
we're getting our solo shots from Direct Beach, and it's my turn after Kayla. And we're using the garage. Andy's part of the cast. Here's my nephew. And he's not a part of the cast, so is Kira, but
Guys, no shadow!
they're playing.
Kayla, look here.
And this little dude is watching. Ah, nagka-clap siya. Kaklap siya para kay Kayla. Very good. Clap, clap for Ate Kayla. Yay! Clap, clap. Yay! So, ito yung shot for today. Puti may director kami, or we might have never submitted our entry. So, ano to?
No shadow!
Ay, sorry. So, this is our sequences as made by Direct Beach. So,
Okay, so
Cindy's doing
remember,
right now.
put in, stand still there, okay? Okay, on action, you say, Hi, I'm Carlo J. Caparas.
Carlo JB.
Carlo J.B. Caparas. I am 9 years old and I am, how tall is he?
4'1"? Palagay mo? 4'1"?
I am 4 foot 1 inches tall.
You can even say 4'2", 4'3".
Oh, 4 feet and 2 inches tall. Smile. Turn. Smile. Turn. Good job. Okay. Tapos uulitin natin yung na whole body ka naman, ha? Okay? Kaya, Kuya Ins? Okay, let's do it. Don't move around so much. There you go.
Quack, quack, quack.
Sorry, got this. Action.
Hi, I'm Carlo J.B. Caparas. I'm 4 feet and 2 inches tall. I'm 9 years old.
Smile muna.
Okay, got it. Oh my God. On action, Carlo Michael Joseph. Carlo Joseph Caparas.
Age and height?
Yeah, 29 siguro.
29 ako
Oh,
para
what?
20s. Tapos,
29. I am
29 years
5 foot.
old, and I stand 5 foot, 11 inches, and 7/8.
4,
Si
3,
Macrack.
2. Action.
Hi, I'm Carlo Joseph Caparas. I'm 29 years old, and I stand 5 feet, 9 inches tall.
Good job. Action. Sad.
Yes.
Happy.
Yes.
Angry.
Yes.
Surprised.
Yes.
Amazed.
Yes.
Very happy.
Yes.
Okay.
Good morning! Yan. So, today, meron kaming final casting / workshop. Well, sabi nung agent ko, approved na kami, pero may fallback. So, yan. Try natin later kung ano magiging result. And, ngayon, ako yung nag-aayos while they're sleeping pa. So, si Kayla, when she wakes up, siya naman yung aayusan ko. And my other kids, since wala pa si Mary Rose, ako din mag-aalaga sa kanila. So, dapat prepared na ako before sila magising. Yan. So, mag-ayos tayo ng hair and konting makeup. Balikan namin kayo. Na-realize ko, excuse sa hair ko, nag-hair iron kasi ako. Wow. Ganda. Hi, Daddy-o.
Hello.
I have good news.
What good news?
Look at me, lovey. Approved na tayo sa wafer. We got 2 projects na. Yeah.
Ha?
Yeah.
Oh?
Yeah.
Ha?
Ulit.
Wafer?
Kaya asikasuhin mo na yung requirements kasi 2 projects to.
2 projects? Oh, what do we say? Diba we were praying last night? Now we got projects. Now we have
Approved
work.
na. No more final casting na.
Yay!
Models na sila ng wafer.
Yay!
Wait, no more final?
Wafer!
No more final?
How do you bite the wafer?
Bro, what? No more rap?
No more.
No more rap?
Lovey, approved na si Kayla tsaka si Indy. Ang waiting na lang kung si Daddy or si Mommy yung gagamitin.
Hindi man na magra-rap?
Me!
Yung client, gusto nga ni Bong Daddy naman daw.
Me!
Sabi ko nga, ikaw na lang.
Ganito ako kumain ng wafer.
Sana ikaw na lang kasi yung umakting. Lovey, approved na sila. Patingin nga na itsura nyo.
Hello?
Wow.
Can I see one wafer bite?
Yum.
Pang-commercial ba yun?
Yes. Sarap.
Ah, sige, tingnan natin tong Mami.
No!
Mami, paano ang wafer bite, Mami? Naks!
Wafers!
Yay!
Wait, no more rap? No more rap?
2 copies.
Tell me.
Hindi, 1 copy. So, 2 copies each.
Oh,
Okay,
so
medical
4 copies.
certificate, 4, bale.
Tea party for the 2 kids. Final casting for the other 2. And for these 2, munches. And for this one, munches. Hi, Kayla. Go get him.
We're gonna play Piggy. Whichever way one knows that Roblox is the best.
Cindy's turn for now.
Oh, sorry, yung tiles ba namin yun?
Table na lang pa yung table set. Laki!
Alright, so may dumating from LBC and I'm about to unplastic it. Ha! Unwrap it. Okay. Kesa naman unbox, it's not a box. Diba? Alright. Oh! There's another one. So,
Patingin.
it says, Miss Cookie, thank you.
Uy, Danica Alahera. Shout out!
Shoutout nga pala kay Danica Alahera! Shoutout nga pala kung gusto nyo umorder ng mga...
Uy, shout out tayo kay Jowo. Grabe ka.
Shoutout kay Jowo Motovlog. Thank you!
Siya nagturo mag-shout out.
Ikaw nagturo sa amin na palaging sasabihin shoutout after each word. So, shoutout Sa pink na wrapper, shoutout. Bubuksan ko na, shoutout. Shoutout sa bubble wrap. Ooh!
Patingin.
Ngayon ito, unboxing na talaga. Yeah! So, ito yun. Alright, y'all see that? It's turquoise. Alright. Ooh! Wow.
Patingin ang signature.
Shoutout nga pala kay Direk Carlo para doon sa drawing.
Patingin ang signature.
Ito yung signature sa likod. Jesus sa harap. Wow, ang galing ng pagkakagawa, Billy.
Ganda.
Check this out.
Ha? Napakita niya sa'yo?
Yeah.
Really good.
Sobrang ganda.
Ang kulit, no?
Sobrang ganda.
Oh,
Ano na natin na to, no? Like when we have mom necklaces, we always have that.
that, yeah.
Yan. Thanks, Direk, sa drawing, sa signature. And thanks, Miss Danica. Ang ganda ng necklace mo. Yan. Very accommodating din siya. Kita ba?
What you did with your brother when you and your mom sent your casting tape. You guys were so cute. You guys did it so well. You were so good. So we're gonna basically do exactly the same thing for now. So are you guys on a laptop or a phone, an iPad?
iPad.
Yeah,
iPad. Okay, good. So I'm gonna start off the scene with Mommy and Carlo. Okay, Kayla, you can sit on the side first and watch, and then I'll work with you in a bit. All right. What is the name of the person holding the camera right now? So I can.
Peach.
Hi, Peach.
Hi.
Peach and Christy.
Hi,
Okay,
Christy.
so this is what I need for you to do. I need you to back up, shoot them from the waist up. Okay. Ayan. So, Peach, you need to keep the camera a little bit, a lot steadier, okay? So that may chance silang manalo.
Hot damn!
Baka manilo ang kliyente natin. At sa
Okay.
Alright.
Okay. Do you want me to go through the board first para... Sige, direk. Wala pong problema. Standby.
Yes. What is this?
Picture mo.
Okay. Nakikita niya po?
Yes.
Opo.
Okay. So, yung product natin ay...
Oh!
Oh, nice. Sakto.
Okay. Well, yung kwento is parang pinabagay natin sa nangyayaring quarantine ngayon. So parang ano bang mga pwedeng gawin ng pamilya habang nakakulong sa bahay. So
We are
camera right. Tapos naka-fake
casting for our second commercial.
Ang flavor niya palit sila ng question.
Yeah, apa.
An unnamed wafer company.
Here. There.
Yeah.
And I'm the light dude.
Tapos, atras ng konti si Kayla.
Kailangan go back.
Abante ng konti si Carlo.
No, in front.
Forward. Tapos, yung body niya, body is profile to the right.